Uno Express. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher on those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 250 points. Deal 5 cards to each player. The new cards are as follows. Draw 1. The next player must draw 1 card and end their turn. Wild Draw 2. You choose the color that continues play, and the next player draws 2 cards. However, you may not play this card if you have a card in your hand that matches the color on the discard pile. You are allowed to have matching numbers and action cards, just not the color. If you believed the player played a Wild Draw 2 illegally on you, you may challenge them. They reveal their hand, and if they had played illegally, then they draw the 2 cards instead of you. But if they had played legally, then you draw 4 cards instead of 2. The first player to get rid of all the cards in a round receives points for all of the cards in their opponent's hands as follows. Numbered cards are worth their face value. Draw 1, reverse, and skips are each worth 20 points. Wild and Wild Draw 2s are each worth 50 points. The first player to reach 250 points wins.